But then there is a carve out, the persons to whom this jurisdiction can be applied. And then 212, Article 212 with respect to administrative courts.
Do we need a professor? Do we need to make amicus a professor of the English language, Mr. Attorney General?
My Lord, I
think we can understand it, whatever we understand it to mean. And can I just ask you a related question? Does the Supreme Court have power to enlarge its own jurisdiction? Yes or no?
No.
You are saying that Parliament, their side is Parliament can only do so through constitutional amendment. Now, I don't know why you are skirting the issue.
The Supreme Court is required to or is bound to act in accordance with the...
It cannot enlarge jurisdiction, correct?
Yes.
How has the Supreme Court enlarged its jurisdiction in cases decided by 3-member benches, by adding on benches, and which jurisdiction was assumed then? There have been recent examples of the Supreme Court creating, not just enlarging jurisdiction, but creating jurisdiction not envisaged in the Constitution. But those are sensitive matters, so you won't talk about them. Correct?
I want to talk something about it. I know, I want to talk something about it. Yeah. And let me just talk about it. And
before you field another question, you can't field 5 questions simultaneously. You have to finish one.
No, I have to field this question and then I'll come back.
Why did they use the word expressly? अगर expressly नहीं भी होता, by और under का यानी इसका मतलब हुआ कि by के लिए भी express होना चाहिए.
वो
by in itself is always express.
वो मेरा इसलिए there are two